What's going on, guys? This is Vince with vshred.com, and today I'm going to show you a quick, about 15-20 minute low carb, almost no carb, healthy recipe for you to try out. Alright, like I said, I'm going to show you a quick, healthy recipe that you can try out. Now, before I get into this, if you guys are wanting more videos like this or just wanting more videos and you like these, make sure that you're clicking the thumbs up button below, leaving any comments, and then if you're not subscribed, make sure you're hitting the subscribe button. That way you get notified when I release a new video. Other than that, guys, getting into this recipe, what you're going to need is, starting off, just 2 avocados. You can end up going more than this after you learn how to do it, and if you want to make it in higher volumes, fine. I'm going with 2 avocados, and they are larger avocados because you are going to be filling this up with eggs. You want eggs. I would recommend getting small eggs, but I only have large eggs, so that's whatever, I guess. Then you're going to need some spinach, some cheese. You don't necessarily have to have spinach or cheese. These are just going to be used as toppings for it. So whatever you want to put as toppings on your little recipe, more power to you. And then last but not least, we're going to have some salt and pepper. I just use this for flavor. Again, you don't need this. This is just a personal preference. So getting into this, what we're going to do is first off start by cutting the avocados in half and getting the core out. Alright, so got the avocados cut in half here. Next thing that we're going to do is take the spoon and we're actually going to be carving out a little bit of the avocado so that the egg can actually fit in it without overflowing. So do that now. Alright, now we've got the little centers of the avocados peeled out. Just use a little spoon for that. And also you want to make sure that you have enough room in there for how much the egg is going to fill it up. So if you need to carve out a little bit extra afterwards, just in case you're worried, go ahead and do so. You do not want it overflowing, and it still might, even after you do it. So after that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the eggs and we're gonna crack them, and we're going to put 1 egg in each of these, just the whole egg. You definitely want the yolk. Yolk's very beneficial, high in healthy fats, high in nutrients. So I'm gonna do that now. Just take this, crack it, and boom. Fits perfect. Alright, so got that awesome clip of getting some eggs in these avocados. After that is going to come the topping time. So if you want to go a little bit of salt and pepper, I usually don't do too much salt just because most foods these days don't need additional sodium. But I'll go a little just for the camera. Do it for the tube. A little bit of pepper. I do like pepper. This helps just take the taste to the next level. You can do, I'm getting my counter filthy right now. Takes the taste to the next level. You can do regular seasonings if you like, other seasonings like Mrs. Dash or something like that if you want. Also, what I'm going to do for probably just one of these, because I'm not a huge fan of vegetables. I'm just doing this for you guys again. You can take some spinach leaves or any kind of vegetables that you like, rip them up just like so, and throw them right on top of it, just like that. And there's one. And then also I got some cheese here, and this is actually vegan gourmet cheese. I like this because regular cheese has a bunch of dairy in it, and dairy messes me up. So here I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit. I'm gonna do 2 of these with the cheese. Voila. And then I'm gonna leave 1 without it. And then what we're gonna do is take these, we're gonna throw them on a pan, and we're gonna throw them in the oven. But there you have it, a easy, quick, healthy recipe for you to try out. You can have this for breakfast, you can have it before you go to bed because it is higher in fats, so it's gonna help with those. Also, if you're just looking for a snack that's gonna help fill you up in between meals, healthy fats are a great way to help you feel more full, help you feel satiated. So avocados and whole eggs, about the best kind of healthy fats that you can get. Also, I will say, if you guys like this kind of stuff and you're looking for more help with getting in shape past just recipes, maybe more information on what kind of workouts and what kind of dieting you should be doing, I do have a free body type quiz where you answer a couple of questions and then it spits out a video with the 3 most important things that you need to be doing that you're probably not doing right now to get in shape. If you want to check out that quiz, you can click the link in the description below. Other than that, if you guys like this video, if you guys like me making these kind of recipes, make sure you hit the thumbs up button below, leaving any comments about this video, any questions about this video, and leaving any recommendations for future videos in the comment section. And then last but not least, make sure you're hitting the subscribe button and the little notification bell right next to the subscribe button. That way you get notified when I post a new video. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you